Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the ZEBRONICS Zeb-Fit1220CH Smart Fitness Band. Let's check out the box and see what kind of information we can find here. At the back, it says that this band has IP67 waterproofing and has a 1.5-inch 2.5D curved glass TFT display. There is a lot of other information as well, but let's open this box up. We are going to remove the top lid now. First, we have a user manual. Please read it at least once. Now take a look at the watch. I'm going to turn it on. You can see the display showing the ZEBRONICS logo. Let's see what else is in the box. This is the charging dock for the smartwatch. On one end, there is a USB-A connector. You will be able to plug it into laptops, PCs, and even power bricks with a USB Type-A port on it. And that's all you will find in this box. Thanks for watching.